Are you wondering how to check your KCSE results quickly and correctly? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your KCSE results using the official KCSE website, step by step. Make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss any important detail. What you need before checking KCSE results. Before we begin, make sure you have the following ready: your KCSE index number, the exam year, a phone or computer with internet access. How to check KCSE results on the official KCSE website. Step 1. Open your browser on your phone or on your computer like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Step 2. Go to the KCSE results website. Step 3. Enter your KCSE index number. Once the page loads, you will see a field asking for your index number. Carefully type your KCSE index number exactly as it appears on your exam slip. Step 4. Select the exam year that you sat for the KCSE exam from the drop-down list. Step 5. Click Submit or Check Results. After confirming your details, click on Submit or Check Results. Step 6. Your KCSI will view your results and it will appear on the screen showing subject grades, mean grade, and overall performance. If this site is slow, do not panic. This usually happens when many students are checking results at the same time. Common problems and solutions. If you counter issues, here's what to do. Website not loading, try to refresh the page or try again later, or try to use another browser, or if you are using the mobile phone, try to use your PC, or if you are using your PC, try to use your mobile phone. Wrong details error. Recheck your index number and year. Server busy. Use a different browser or check during off-peak hours. And that is how you can easily check your KCSE results online using the official KCSE website. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and if you have any topic suggestions, leave me a comment down below. And that's all for today's video. Goodbye.